Handheld vacuum cleaners are compact and versatile cleaning appliances designed to provide convenient solutions for quick and efficient tidying up. These portable devices are characterized by their lightweight design and ease of use, making them an essential tool for tackling small messes and hard-to-reach areas. Typically powered by rechargeable batteries, handheld vacuums offer cordless freedom, allowing users to move effortlessly throughout their homes or vehicles without being tethered to an outlet. Despite their smaller size, modern handheld vacuums boast powerful suction capabilities, effectively picking up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and other debris. Many models come equipped with various attachments, such as crevice tools and brush heads, enabling users to clean upholstery, tight corners, and delicate surfaces with precision. Additionally, these vacuums often feature washable filters, making maintenance a breeze. Handheld vacuum cleaners are the perfect solution for quick spot cleaning, car interiors, stairs, and other small-scale cleaning tasks, offering convenience and efficiency in a compact package. Hi! Stay current on handheld vacuum cleaner trends with thorough analyses and reviews. Stay informed about the best electric griddles through in-depth research and findings. Following our thorough evaluation, the PeroBuno handheld vacuum cleaner has secured its position as a strong contender, ranking 5th in our assessments. This compact device boasts a brushless motor-powered compressed air duster that impresses with its stable airflow, durability, and high-performance capabilities. Its substantial power, complemented by a range of nozzles and brushes, makes it an effective solution for tackling stubborn, heavy dust in various locations. The PeroBuno air duster offers 2 speed settings for dust cleaning, allowing users to opt for the standard wind speed for everyday tasks like cleaning PCs, laptops, fans, camera lenses, and car interiors. The high-speed setting is ideal for more demanding jobs like cleaning air vents and larger machinery. Activating the device is simple. A long press of the button for 3 seconds powers it on, and a short press switches to high-speed mode. This versatile tool is not limited to air blowing, it can also function as a mini vacuum, providing 2 convenient cleaning methods for computers, desks, PCs, cars, and electronics. Additionally, it serves as an air pump for storage bags. With its multi-use capabilities, this electric air duster includes a keyboard cleaning kit with various accessories, such as mini brushes and long nozzles for hard-to-reach areas, as well as a wide flat nozzle for broader cleaning coverage. It's a versatile solution for daily household tasks, including cleaning computer keyboards, car seats, window blinds, and sofas. One noteworthy aspect of this air duster blower is its eco-friendliness. It offers an energy-efficient alternative to traditional canned air sprays, and its battery can be conveniently charged via a Type-C cable, compatible with various USB port devices. After a full charge of 3 to 4 hours, the mini blower can run continuously for 15 to 25 minutes, making it a practical and eco-conscious choice for your cleaning needs. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. RUBOT has solidified its presence as a notable contender in the handheld vacuum cleaner market, securing an impressive 5th place in our evaluations. The RUBOT handheld vacuum stands out with its high-speed motor, offering 2 adjustable suction modes of 8,000 PA and 13,000 PA to address a wide range of cleaning needs. It incorporates multi-layer filters, including a metal filter and heat filter, effectively capturing 99.99% of dust. Notably, all filters are washable and reusable, ensuring sustained performance against dust, paper debris, particles, and pet hair. Remarkably lightweight at just 1.2 pounds, this cordless handheld vacuum enables extended cleaning sessions with ease. Its cordless design grants the freedom to clean floors, carpets, stairs, and car mats without the constraints of a power cord. The vacuum boasts a substantial battery capacity of 2,200 mAh, delivering 30 minutes of continuous operation at standard suction and 15 minutes at maximum suction after a brief 3.5-hour full charge. Charging is hassle-free with the included USB-C cable, allowing flexibility in car or home charging. The device offers additional utility with a red flashing warning light and white flashlight, activated via a convenient power switch. This feature proves invaluable in emergencies or outdoor activities. Furthermore, RUBOT includes inflatable and pumping accessories, facilitating tasks such as inflating balloons, swimming rings, air mattresses, and vacuum packing clothes storage. This versatile handheld vacuum encompasses a range of practical features to cater to diverse cleaning and utility needs. Eflowing has earned a prestigious position as a leading contender in the handheld vacuum cleaner market, securing an admirable third place in our rankings. This standing is well-deserved, backed by guaranteed quality and an FCC inspection certification, affirming its genuine high rating untainted by competitor influence. With a local after-sales center in the US, customers can confidently make their purchase, knowing that lasting after-sales support is readily available. The Eflowing handheld vacuum boasts a high-speed brushless motor, offering two adaptable suction modes of 10,000 PA and 16,000 PA to accommodate a wide range of cleaning requirements. It features a multi-layer filtration system encompassing a metal filter and heat filter, effectively capturing 99.99% of dust. Remarkably, all filters are washable and reusable, ensuring consistent performance against dust, paper debris, particles, and pet hair. This high-power car vacuum includes a red flashing warning light and a white flashlight, easily operated via a convenient power switch. With a 3-second long press, the flashlight can be set to a steady-on mode, and pressing again activates the warning light. These features prove invaluable in emergencies or outdoor activities. Eflowing's one-touch empty design simplifies dust disposal, requiring only a slide of the button to empty the dustbin without getting your hands dirty. The transparent design offers visibility during the dust collection process, reminding you to clean it promptly. With a 200 milliliters capacity, this handheld vacuum effectively meets daily trash storage needs and excels at reaching intricate, challenging, and narrow spaces that are typically hard to access, facilitating swift cleanup of spills. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Saker's impressive performance secures a prominent second-place position in our evaluations, underscoring their unwavering dedication to innovation within the handheld vacuum cleaner industry. The Saker Mini Vacuum Cleaner comes equipped with a versatile array of accessories, catering to blowing, vacuuming, and pumping needs across various scenarios. It excels in cleaning challenging nooks like computer keyboards and mainframes, as well as tackling substantial stains on sofas, seats, and other surfaces. Charging the Saker vacuum cleaner is a breeze with its Type-C data cable, featuring a helpful green indicator signaling full charge. Additionally, the machine incorporates a power reminder setting, ensuring timely recharging. The Saker Mini handheld vacuum boasts two distinct filters, with the washable HEPA filter lasting 2 to 3 months, while the upgraded fine steel filter offers extended service life with simple water washing. Despite its compact size, the Saker handheld mini vacuum packs a powerful punch with its 12,000 PA super clear suction power, effortlessly handling stains in both large and small areas. Its lightweight and small form factor make it user-friendly, even for children. The Saker vacuum's portability is further enhanced by its convenient storage, as it can fit into a standard drawer. Additionally, the included storage bag neatly holds all accessories, facilitating easy transport on the go. Saker's commitment to performance, convenience, and innovation shines through in this exceptional handheld vacuum cleaner. XREXS epitomizes an unwavering commitment to excellence, consistently demonstrating innovation through its impressive range of handheld vacuum cleaner solutions. This cordless car vacuum cleaner features a super strong motor with exceptional suction power, enabling it to deliver swift and thorough cleaning by effortlessly removing cat litter, pet hair, dust, debris, and other bothersome residues. Moreover, it employs noise reduction technology to keep noise levels below 75 dB, ensuring a quiet and effective cleaning experience for daily use. Equipped with two versatile attachments, the XREXS cordless handheld vacuum caters to diverse cleaning needs for both your home and car. The 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush effectively cleans sofas, corners, stairs, and dust trapped in objects, while the hose is perfect for accessing hard-to-reach spots. Weighing a mere 1.3 pounds, this portable car vacuum cleaner is compact and stylish, making it a convenient tool for quick pickups and light-duty cleaning. Its small and lightweight design eliminates the need for heavy lifting, making it easy to grab and clean on the go, especially in tight spaces. It occupies minimal space, making it ideal for small jobs. The mini vacuum cleaner boasts a high-capacity battery that provides over 20 minutes of continuous use on a full 4 to 5 hour charge. Moreover, the charging system features 3 layers of protection, including temperature, input voltage, and input current protection, enhancing equipment safety and reliability. XREXS continues to deliver innovative and efficient cleaning solutions, setting a high standard in the handheld vacuum cleaner industry. We deeply appreciate your invaluable insights and active involvement in advancing our mission with handheld vacuum cleaners. Your expertise is crucial to our success, and we wholeheartedly thank you for your continued engagement and support.